Now let's talk about organizing things in Google Classroom. This can quickly become quite the mess if you're not proactive in organization. Let's start with the stream. I created a random announcement here about remembering to turn in your work. And let's say this is in the wrong place. I can click on these three little dots to the side and I can choose to move it. Now, in this case, it's already at the top, so I'm going to come down here to the next one, and I'm going to say move to the top. Now, that's all you can do with the announcement posts. You can put something to the top, but it's going to post in the order that you put it up there. It's one of the reasons why I strictly limit my stream. Classwork, on the other hand, you've got a lot of options, and I am a huge fan of topics. Let's go to Create, and all the way down here to Topic. Community builders might be one topic. Since I teach math and I think in terms of units, I'm going to create a second one. Unit 1, Geometry Basics. Hey, there's no limit to the number of topics you can have. You might think in terms of weeks, you might think in terms of units. It really is subject specific. But there's a couple of nice things we can do here. The first one is I can simply left click on this puzzle and drag it underneath the topic I want it. Okay. An alternative is to come over here and click the three dots next to something, edit, and over here on the right-hand side, actually select the topic you want. When you click Save, Google Classroom will already automatically move that for you. Let's see, I've got something here that doesn't seem to fit in either one of those. So I have two ways to create the topic. Create topic, or I can come here to the three dots, edit, go to topic, and choose create topic at this stage. General information. Okay, I am going to quickly put a couple of things into Unit 1, and I'm just going to choose random things because what I'm putting in here honestly doesn't matter to show you this. And let me get one more. All right, as Google saves that really quickly. Okay, I'm going to put these under Unit 1 just by dragging. All right, I'm looking at Unit 1. Now, if you have organized your topics before you even get started, then as you add things to a topic, the newest thing you add is automatically going to go on top. If you don't like that, you have two options. The first one is to grab what you want and simply slide it into the position you want it. So you can reorder things by sliding them around. You left click and drag where you want something to go. Option number 2 is to come over here to the three dots and I can move something up. Notice it only moved up one spot. Move up. Yeah, I really want random 2 to move down, and I can do it that way. I personally think it's faster to grab and drag, but it's entirely up to you. Google Classroom automatically puts the newest item on top, and that's important to remember because that's what kids are used to.